Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so I'm on my way to grab some flowers for my mother. There's a really cool flower shop not too far from my house, and I go there fairly often because it's super quaint and a nice local spot.
Hi, how you doing?
Grand. How are you doing?
Good. Need some flowers?
Yeah.
Flowers are just the back. The help's there to help you.
Cool. Thank you.
It's all good.
This place is right near the Sandlot. There's a lot of Sandlot memorabilia. This is the main bread and butter of the store, is the flowers. I don't know which part of the store you can or can't go in. I don't know if I can go back here or if I can. There's a lot of little nooks and crannies in this place. They have vases. I guess these vases are set for sale. Trains and all these things are not. Other arrangements right out here. Some of these Sandlot t-shirts and things are for sale. Some cool little farm tools. Because a few of these are for sale. Seems like if it has a price on it, it is for sale. If it does not have a price, it is not for sale. This guy right here in the back is the owner. I feel like that's the one my mom would like.
Anything you like there so far?
Yeah, I think I like that one.
That one there?
Yeah.
Let's pull it out and let's take a look at it anyway. And
got a lot of cool colors I think my mom would like.
right. So you can see it better.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'll nab that one if that's cool.
Should we do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. These are the flowers that I end up getting. I think they're a really cool arrangement, really cool color. Reminds me, like I thought of my mom as soon as I saw it. So I think it's perfect. I'm on my way down to my parents' house for a Mother's Day party. Today is Mother's Day. And right before that, I'm gonna pick up a mower that I found on the marketplace because mine broke last week. So I'm gonna squeeze that in right before the party. been to this Smith's in like 20 years. I should not have picked up the heaviest item first. So I told my mom a while back that I had a wish, and I was like a millionaire or something. I can't remember the wish, but I would wish for chocolate chip cookies all the time. Anytime she sees me, she's like been trying to make that wish come true. She just bakes me just a ton of chocolate chip cookies so that I have them all the time. I hung this jacket up yesterday and now I gotta take it out again because it's cold again today. It's May 13th, by the way. Today I'm heading out to go to lunch with my friend Britt. We're eating at her office and we're both bringing our pets. Whitford wants to get out of the house today and she's bringing her dog, so I'm curious if they'll get along. Whitford doesn't usually like other animals, but he's been kind of slowly opening up to it, so I'm curious to see what happens. Will you watch that food for us? Make sure it's safe. Liddy is chilling, but Bowen wants to play super bad, and Liddy does not want any of it. It was a short trip, but I think Bowen's was a little too hyper and wanted to play too much with Whitford. And Whitford didn't want any of it, so he just kind of sat in his cage. So it was fun to see my friend and at least get the pets to kind of meet each other for the first time. Back at the old Smith's again. I feel like I'm here every day. It is a much nicer and sunnier day today, and I'm pretty stoked about that because my energy level relies kind of heavily on the weather. Today we are shooting at my friend's apartment complex. My friend has hired me to help with lighting, and I don't think he realizes how much gear I bring when I do lighting. This is my buddy Lawrence.
Come on in.
This is what we're shooting today.
Yeah, this shelf thing. So
Cool.
I decorated it, but we can always change things if we
Sweet.
need to.